Welcome back to Top Tech Growth Hacks, everyone.
And today, we're diving into a fascinating area that's critical for anyone in the health tech space or even just interested in global tech trends.
Absolutely, Jamie. We're talking about finding the right development partners for healthcare solutions, specifically in a region that's quietly becoming a powerhouse, but often overlooked by Western buyers.
That's right. When you think of outsourcing software development, especially for healthcare, what countries usually come to mind for most people?
Probably India, maybe some South American countries, and parts of Eastern Europe, but often not specifically Poland, right?
Exactly. And that's the surprising part. The article we're discussing highlights that Poland now ranks among Europe's top 3 destinations for outsourced healthcare software engineering. It's a huge opportunity that many are missing because of this gap between its reputation and its actual recognition.
It really is. And building clinical-grade software isn't just about coding. It's a whole different beast. We're talking HIPAA encryption, HL7 and FHIR interoperability, FDA guidance for software as a medical device. Your product roadmap can feel more like a regulatory obstacle course than an engineering plan.
Totally. It's not just about functionality. It's about compliance, security, and integration with existing complex systems. And that's why the right development partner isn't just a coder. They bring specific certifications like ISO 13485 for medical device software, ISO 27001 for information security, and deep domain experience, or as the article puts it, domain scars.
So the article dives into 10 leading Polish companies, each with impressive specializations within the healthcare sector. For instance, Glorium Technologies, with its HQ in New Jersey but a strong dev center in Krakow, really stands out.
They do. They're highlighted for full-cycle healthcare software development with deep regulatory compliance built into every sprint. They're experts in HIPAA and ISO 13485 compliant platforms, medical device software, and even AI diagnostics. They've been purely focused on healthcare for over 14 years, which is huge in this specialized field.
And then you have companies like Thaumatec in Warsaw, specializing in connected medical devices and embedded health tech. That's a very niche and critical area, from chip to cloud.
Or Momentum, also in Warsaw, which is interesting because they only build healthcare products, no distractions. That kind of singular focus can be incredibly valuable for digital health startups or providers who want a truly dedicated team.
And for those looking for cutting-edge innovation, 10 Clouds in Warsaw is exploring AI-driven medtech prototypes and even blockchain-secured health data. That's forward-thinking stuff, especially for ventures building genuinely new solutions.
Definitely. And if you're looking for patient-facing apps with incredible user experience, Mikido in Krakow is known for award-winning mobile-first health apps. They understand that a health app needs to feel as polished as a consumer fintech product for patients to actually use it.
It's clear there's a huge and diverse talent pool there. But how does someone listening know how to pick the right one for their specific needs?
That's the million-dollar question, and the article gives some excellent practical advice. First, if your project involves medical device software, you absolutely need to look for ISO 13485 certification. It's non-negotiable.
And if you're dealing with U.S. patient data, HIPAA expertise isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have, and they should have a documented history of compliance.
Exactly. The best way to vet them? Shortlist 2 or 3 companies, book discovery calls, and ask them to walk through a past healthcare project in detail. The quality of that conversation, the questions they ask, and how they explain their process will reveal everything you need to know about their true expertise.
Fantastic advice, Jamie. Poland truly seems like an untapped resource for high-quality, specialized healthcare software development, offering a blend of expertise and competitive rates.
It absolutely is. And for our listeners, if you're navigating the complexities of health tech development, this article is a goldmine. You can find a link to it in our show notes.
That's all the time we have for today on Top Tech Growth Hacks. Thanks for tuning in.
We'll catch you next time.